Do you have a manual for any of these games?
Sure do. Oh, this one's Japanese. To the internet!
Look under saving and loading.
The load and save functions have been programmed in for future product developments. Wait, so I wasted all this time and money because Nintendo didn't follow through with one of their own plans?
You think that's bad? I got my copy of Excitebike from a friend, and it didn't have the manual at all. I just figured I wasn't waiting long enough for the game file to save. One summer in the 1980s, I spent the entire day waiting for my creation to save, only to have it go away when the power turned off.
Window!